Good morning, students. So your unit number 10 is plant a tree. So now look at here. What is your warm-up exercises? Name two types of tree that grow near your house. Whatever trees grows near your house, you have to write the name here. Name any two plants or trees that grow in your school garden. Now if your school has a garden, so what kind of trees are grown in your school garden? Fill it here and here. Write the names of two animals that live in the trees. So write the names of any two animals that live in the trees. Next is write the names of two animals that live on land but can climb trees. Now see, now you have to write any two animals who walk on the land also and they can climb trees also. Okay. Now see what is the story here. Scene 1. First read what the lesson is saying. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. There is immediate need to save the environment, which includes the air, water, soil, forest and all the things exist around us. Three good friends have special plans on the World Environment Day. Let's find what they are excited about. Now see what is this lesson about. This lesson is about the planting a tree. How planting tree is important to us. So World Environment Day. What do you mean by World Environment Day? It is a day which is celebrated to save our environment. What do you mean by environment? All these things, air, water, plants, soil, forest, all this comes under environment. So what happened? Three friends decided to make a play on the Environment Day. Now see what they are doing. Suma, Fatima and Malika, come here quickly. Look, I have got a spade and this small bucket. Fatima, I have got this watering can, but what about the plant? Malika, you were supposed to bring a sapling. Where it is? Now see, here are three friends, Suma, Malika and Fatima. So this Suma is calling Malika and Fatima and she is saying that I have got a spade and this small bucket. What do you mean by spade? Can you see this? Which we use for digging the soil. This is called as spade. So the Suma bought a spade. Now where is the water bucket? So now Fatima is saying, I have brought the watering can. I have bought the watering can and we will plant the seed here. Seed here. But before planting it, where is the sapling? What do you mean by sapling? Sapling means a small plant. Small plant. So Malika, hold on, I have got it in this bag. Now see, what is this? Malika saying that, yes, wait, I have bought it, it is in my bag. Suma and Fatima, what is in this bag? Its leaves might have got crushed. Now what is this? Malika is saying, why did you keep that in the bag? It's leaves, the plant leaves must have been crushed. Malika, well, I have bought it here with great care, so don't worry. Malika takes out the sapling from the bag. Suma and Fatima, wow, it is a lovely sapling. Now what did Malika say? No, I have bought it with by taking great care of it, so it will be fine. So they also say, now what happened? This girl brings out the sapling and they all say that, wow, it is a very lovely sapling. Malika, it's a neem sapling. There isn't a single neem tree in our neighborhood. I heard my grandparents mentioning that there is not a single neem tree in this area. So I thought that we should plant one today on this World Environment Day. So now this Malika is saying that I have brought the neem tree, neem sapling, because there is not even a one small neem tree in our neighborhood, and my grandparents were saying that there is not even a one small neem tree. So we will plant this sampling of neem on this World Environment Day. Fatima, this is a great idea. Suma, Malika, I support you on this, pal. Fatima, see, the sapling is very small and thin. It has such tiny roots and a few leaves, but they are rich, green and beautiful. Now what happened? All these friends are seeing that small sapling and they are saying that sapling is very small, but this sapling has a fresh green leaves. Fatima, Malika, let us plant in the far corner of the park. We will call it Nimi. Suma and Fatima, it's our plant. We will take care of it every day. Malika, yes, Nimi. Oh dear children, Thanks for giving me a name. I am so happy that you called me. So now what happened? They always saying that we will plant this small sapling in the corner of the garden, and it is our plant, so we will take care of this plant, and we will name this plant as Nimi. What they are naming this plant as? Nimi. Nimi. So now what happened? Suddenly the small plant started talking. What is that Nimi saying? Oh dear children, I am very happy that you have given me this beautiful name. All the children are taken aback. They look at the sapling with their eyes wide open. Malika, can you understand us? It's Suma, it's pure magic. Nimi can talk to us. Now what happened? When the plant started talking, they were surprised. All the three children were surprised, and they moved back, and they asked by being shocked that, can you understand us? And Suma said that yes, it is a pure magic that she is understanding us. Now Fatima, I am so excited. Nimi, but please don't plant me in that corner. I want to be near children play area. I will love to see them laugh and play. I love children, and it will be good if it is in a place where I can easily get some water to drink. Malika, sure, let us plant Nimi near the tap. We can easily water it every day. Suma, yes. Suma, Fatima and Malika dig soil and gently plant Nimi near the boundary of the park close to a tap. Suma, I hope we did not hurt you. Now see what happened. All these three children were excited. So what does this plant said that? Please don't plant me in that corner. Plant me somewhere where I can see the children play, because I will love to see the children how they are playing and laughing, and I want to be near water. So the plant said that it want water near it. So all these friends said, okay, we will plant you near the tap. So they started digging and they planted the Nimi near the tap. Suma, I hope we did not hurt. Nimi, oh no, not at all. In fact, this is a nice place. I can also get a good view of the children they play around. Fatima, see, I have removed the pieces of stones and put them in the bucket. I will throw it somewhere. Now you will have soft soil around you. Nimi, thanks for that, but I am thirsty. Give me some water to drink, please. Fatima, pour some water from the watering can. Oh yes, you can drink this water. Nimi, thank you so much. Now what happened? After planting Nimi in the park, they said that, did we hurt you? So Nimi said, no, none of you have hurt me. In fact, you have planted me on a very good place where I can see the people playing in the park. So now Nimi says that, but I want some water, I am little thirsty. So what does these girls do? They take out the water from the can and they give that can to Nimi. And then Nimi drinks the water and say that, thank you so much. Fatima, it's getting dark, Nimi. You should sleep now. Nimi, oh yes, without any sunlight I cannot do my work and prepare food. I should take some rest. Fatima, Suma and Malika, bye. See you tomorrow. The three friends leave the park. Now see what happened. Now Nimi says, now one of the friends says that it is so dark, so that now you have to sleep, Nimi. So they say to the plant that it should sleep. So what did the plant reply? Yes, without sunlight I can't do my work and I can't prepare my food. So till then I will take some rest. So all the three friends say bye to the mean plant and they go. Now the next is scene 2. Now here is the scene 2 of the play. So now let's see what happened in scene 2. Fatima, Suma and Malika. Hello Nimi. Fatima, you look fresh and greener today. Nimi, hello, there was a storm last night. I was frightened because of the strong wind. 2 of my leaves fell down. Suma, yes, I was worried about you. We will put a stick near you for support. Now see what happened. Next day, all the 3 children come back to the plant. So what they say? Hello, how are you? They ask to the plant. The plant says that, yes, I am good. Then Fatima says that you look very beautiful and much greener. Means you are looking more green. So what does the tree say? Yes, but yesterday was a storm. Storm means an heavy winds that blows is called as storm. So there was a storm last night and I lost my 2 of the leaves. So now what did the Suma said? Yes, I was very much worried about you. I will stick that trees near you. You don't worry. So Nimi said, yes, that will be fine. Fatima, let me give you a hug, dear. We will always look after you. So now what happened? Fatima says that we will hug you, Nimi, and we will always take care of you. Suma and Malika, yes Nimi, but we have to leave now. Bye. Nimi, thanks, bye. Now what they say? Yes, we will always take care of you, but we have to go now. Bye. So the plant also says bye. Then here is the scene 3. After 5 years. Now see, after 5 years, what are they doing? Fatima, Suma and Malika. Hello Nimi, how are you doing? Nim, I am good. I am good, friends. Some birds have built 2 nests on my branches. They sing all day long. It is lovely. Fatima, that means all is well. Now see, after 5 years also what happened? They are taking care of the tree and they came and asked the tree that how it is going. So the tree said that two birds have built a nest on my branches and they will sing all day for me and I am enjoying it. Fatima, nay, Nimi, just a small problem. Last evening, a naughty boy came and angrily broke one of my branch. It hurt me a lot. I still have some pain. So now what did Nimi complain to the girls that everything is fine, but what happened? An angry boy, he was very naughty. He came to me and in anger, what did he do? He broke one of my branch. And he broke one of my branch and I am very worried and it is still paining. Malika, that is bad. We will make a few posters and put up in the park. We will write, do not harm the plants and trees. They are also living beings. So now what did this Malika give us the advice that it is very bad. He should not do like that. We will do one thing. We will prepare one poster and we will write on it that do not harm the plants and trees. They are also living beings and we will paste it in the park. Suma, but Nimi, I want 3-4 leaves of yours. My grandma has a health problem. He has diabetes. So I take these leaves every day. He eats them and it is good for his health. Now what happened? Now what did Suma said? Yes, but Nimi, I want the 3 to 4 leaves of yours because my grandfather is not well and he has diabetes. So I will take 2 to 3 leaves of yours. He will eat that and he will recover his health. Nimi, oh sure, I like to help. I like to help people. In fact, I feel hungry. I feel happy in helping people. But when someone hurt me like that naughty boy, I get upset. Now see what happened. What did that tree said? Yes, I am very much happy to help the people. Sure, take the leaves. But whenever someone hurt me, I get very upset. Fatima, Suma and Malika. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. So again, these 3 girls went. They goes and say that we will see you tomorrow. Bye. Nimi also say bye. So this is the end of your lesson. Thank you.